Hey everyone, today we're diving into Cursor AI, a super cool code editor that uses AI to make coding faster and easier. Let's check it out and see how it compares to other tools. First, what is Cursor AI? It's a code editor built on Visual Studio Code, but with AI powers. It can suggest code, fix errors, and even write code from plain English. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, it's designed to save you time. Let's try it. Open Cursor AI, start a new life, and type a simple command like create a button that changes color when clicked. Hit Command plus K and boom, Cursor writes code for you. It's like having a coding buddy who's always ready to help. Now, how does it stack up against GitHub Copilot? Both suggest code, but Cursor feels more conversational. You can chat with it to tweak code or explain it. Copilot is great for quick suggestions, but Cursor understands your whole project better. Compared to Codium, Cursor's free plan is generous, but Codium supports more languages and is fully free. Cursor shines with its ability to edit entire projects, while Codium is super fast for single file tasks. One tip, be clear with your prompts. Instead of saying make it better, say add a hover effect to this button. Clear prompts get you better results. Also check out the Cursor rules file to set your coding style. That's it for our quick Cursor AI review. It's a game changer for coding, especially if you want an AI that feels like a teammate. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.